Well, it's Workshop Wednesday. Mikey is putting a new sub gasket on the gearbox of my Grand Vic. Chris has just fixed the dumper. And tubby little Captain Connor has fixed the JCB, so he gets to drive it. He hasn't driven it before. Give it a go then! Don't hit anything expensive. Oh, he's off. It's moving in. That's good. Go on, Chris. Start the.
Come on,
You start it.
Start now.
All right, I will.
Go on then.
I hate starting this.
I
thing.
hate
Nearly
starting
killed
it.
me
Yeah.
once. I got stuck in it. You remember it?
Yeah.
It went off into the sky.
I'm going to stand over here. You do know if it comes off, it's going to go straight through your recovery truck, or straight. Actually, look, I need to move my car. Yes, Mr. Insurance Man. What actually happened was we were trying to start an old 1930s tractor. Oh, first time! First time. Go on, lift that lever. Lift the lever.
Yeah. See, that worked. Right, hopefully I've got hydraulics now. Only works one way. Oh, hang on, no. Oh, it works. Yes, it works. Well done, you fixed it. Don't let him hit anything important. Don't hit my chicken house. I'll let him get in position first.
Get your dump on.
Where's Wayne? I think Wayne's just fallen off the digger. There's a little baby digger. I better watch him.
Can't say that.
There's my mini digger. It's not the digger's not very big. It's just Wayne's tiny.
Hey, what do you want to do then? What do you want to do then? 'Cause that's ready to come in.
Oh look, that's good. We're gonna have some water in the pond at last. That's a fair old drop down there.
We'll start again now. The JCB's ready and so is the dumper.
Yeah, we're all set. We've got all the machines going. We'll have water soon. Bit of a drought going on. Have you dug all this out yet?
And then if you put the dumper truck here,
Yeah.
straight into it.
Watch him through because he's shockingly dangerous.
That digger is going to have to fit.
It's a lot deeper now, this. So the ducks will have a bit of a decent swim now. Hope he spots this tree. I only bought the JCB the other day. The guy said, I've got a JCB. I said, how much do you want for it? About 1,500 quid. Get it to my house, I'll buy it. He did get it to my house. Don't hit this tree. That tree was very expensive. Don't hit that tree. More. Yeah, a little bit more. Not that far down there. It's a huge log he's got for the wheel. Yeah, do ya? First load going in. All the extra weight should actually send him flying. It'll knock you clean off there. It works. That's the first load on. Some stodgy old stuff that is. Brilliant. You stay there, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. That doesn't sound very good. Keep it in reverse. Oh my God, that's a huge bit. You think without what the levers do, it's written on there. Up a bit. Good. This doesn't look good.
No, I think we can't get fuel up.
Broken it.
It's just
Yeah, Chris broke it.
shit.
What happened?
He's made it out.
It ran
His
out of
lift
fuel.
pump's shit as well.